Global warming is caused by greenhouse gases that cause immediate and direct changes on the planet, particularly the temperature, which results in climate change. As a result of this, extreme weather events such as bushfires, cyclones, droughts, and floods are becoming more intense. Animals and plant species are at risk of extinction, and in order to survive, they are confronted with climate change, which leaves them with two options: to move or to adapt. With the speed of climate change that we are experiencing already, it's innate for species to adapt quickly to keep up with its changing environment. However, with the amount of habitat destruction caused by climate change, moving is becoming increasingly difficult for them. So here are 6 ways to help save the Earth. Use papers wisely, save energy, conserve water, reduce use of plastic, lessen air pollution, and set a good example. Reducing paper waste helps conserve our natural resources, specifically our trees. Some ways to reduce paper use are, if possible, opt to use laptops, tablets, or phones instead of printing out reading materials. Write on both sides of the paper to maximize its use, or use scratch papers for note-taking instead of buying new notebooks. We must always remember that lessening our paper use does not only benefit nature but also our community. Second, reducing energy consumption can be done by simply turning off the lights or other appliances when not needed. Using less energy does not only lessen one's bills but also benefits the environment through preserving the Earth's natural resources, particularly those that are used to generate energy, such as coal, oil, and gas. Third, water is undoubtedly one of the most important substances on Earth, essential to living organisms such as us humans. We use it for drinking, cooking, washing, and many other things. Hence, it is important that we learn and practice conserving water. Reducing water use can be done through simple acts like turning off the tap when not used. Learning how to conserve water does not only provide us more water in the future, but also helps in building a healthier environment by reducing the energy used to process and deliver water to our houses and other institutions, which in return reduces pollution and conserves fuel resources. Fourth, plastics have negative impact on the environment, especially on marine life. It takes a long time to break down, so its effects on the environment are also long-lasting. Reducing plastic waste can be done by bringing a jug instead of buying water sold in plastic bottles, using eco bags when shopping or buying groceries, avoiding takeout foods, or simply bring your own lunchbox, and stop using straws. If we are able to do these things, we could help stop the harm it brings or gives to animals and humans. Fifth, majority of the air pollution is contributed by vehicles since they emit carbon monoxide. Air pollutants heavily adds up to global warming, damages in the environment, and cause respiratory diseases to humans. We can lessen these emissions that cause air pollution by walking, biking, and riding electric vehicles. And last, with the large population that we have, we can take part in saving our environment by having the initiative among ourselves and encourage others to do so otherwise. So those are the 6 ways to help save the Earth. That's 3 minutes.